Oil train, oil train. I like my oil train because it has oil in it. That's why I like my oil train. I bet I could drive a train in real life. Like, trust me, I'll just crash like 5,000 times. But I'll eventually do it. Wait, stop. There's a... I think we should turn. Because I think turning will be better. Because turning is just, it's turning. Go. Doma. Engine. Oh my god. Oh, now you decide to work. We'll just spawn a new one. Let's try to find one. War train. Getting ready for war back here. I see something. Should be. We're going to the lava zone. Well, I like lava. I've never walked on it before, but I might. Well, I will now. Nice. Interesting. You can barely see out of this. What was that sound? It's fine. Where are we? No, I see it. Stop. I think we stopped in time. Oh my god, bro. We hit it. I'm gonna reset. This is it, the one that goes meow. We might need to slow down. So we went that way, let's turn. We need to slow down. Stop. We need to slow down. Okay, easy. Okay. Cart. Cart, go. See, Neil. I don't like it going too fast. Okay, that's way too fast. If I switch this, and then we go. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Don't worry, we're fine. Just going a bit over the speed limit. Stop! Let's go. Where is this taking us? Let me stop. Okay, Louis stopped. Well, I'm gonna end it here, and